Hi Peaches, I hope you're all keeping safe in this COVID-19 pandemic. My thoughts and prayers goes to those affected. I believe this season of our lives shall pass one day. As you all know, most countries are on lockdown and I believe this is a great opportunity to learn something new. So I have recorded a video for you guys to try your hands on. Let me know what you think. I have recorded two simple updos for you with and without hair extensions. I started off with a freshly washed, conditioned and stretched hair. And what you basically do is to take sections of your hair, roll and pin it down to form like a puff. Please watch as I demonstrate it now. Oh, please don't forget to comb through your hair to get rid of any knots and tangles. And don't worry if you don't get it right the first time, try again, or you can always go in and tidy it up by sticking in more bobby pins. Repeat the process until you've rolled and pinned your entire hair. This is a really quick hairstyle, but it's so cute as well. It's beginner friendly, so please try it and let me know what you think. If you feel your hair is not long enough to achieve this style, please don't worry because I've got you covered if you watch till the end. I had to spritz my hair with water because I can't do anything to my hair without it being moisturized. You may not need to do this, but my hair is stubborn that way. With this particular hairstyle, I put my hair into 3 sections, attached the hair extensions to them, and I rolled it as you would see in this video. I used a styling gel to also tame the flyaways down and then went ahead to do the hairstyle. Please watch from here. Thank you. And guess what guys, I have a company that will be selling synthetic hair extensions and accessories once the pandemic is over. Our block colors are chemical free and it will be the best of its kind. So please follow us on Instagram, Hair for Divas. Divas is double S at the end for updates and news. It is exciting. Yeah. So you attach two individual bulk pieces of hair onto each bun and then you start to roll and pin. So there you have it. These are two simple, amazing hairstyles you can do within minutes in the comfort of your own home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be back next week to check because I will be uploading regularly this time. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye. And make sure you stay safe. Thank you. Bye.